Across the city, rain begins to fall. Stronger and stronger it grows, forming rivers where roads once were. The water rises, overtaking homes, swallowing streets, leaving only silence and shadows behind. Then, through the flood, help arrives. AI robots move carefully across the water, carrying supplies. With laser-like focus, they scan buildings for damage. Side by side, they set up shelters for those in need. Artificial intelligence and humans clear debris, creating safer paths. Together, they bring calm back to the streets. They check power lines, restoring light to the community. With precision, they organize supplies, ready to help. They repair roads and bridges, restoring paths piece by piece. Each action is a quiet promise. Recovery is on the way. Now, the city shines again. Streets are clear, buildings stand tall, sunlight pours over a city renewed. Thanks to these tireless helpers, the city is ready to begin anew, stronger and more resilient than ever. AI, technology with purpose, helping humanity rebuild and thrive.
So my project is basically about how AI and humanity can help each other to rebuild after natural disasters. So my project is about AI for social good because it basically shows natural disasters and how AI can help to fix that. So my inspiration for this video is Saudi Arabia. So in Saudi, we used to never rain, but now since it rains a lot, it causes floods and sometimes even disasters. Not only Saudi Arabia, but also from my home country, the Philippines.
We start by editing the script for our short film. Once the script is finalized, we move on to Midjourney to generate images based on the scene descriptions. If the first image doesn't meet our requirements, we refine the prompt and generate new versions until we achieve the perfect visual for the scene. After downloading the image, we proceed to Runway ML, where we input the image and the prompt that includes object movements and the camera direction for the scene. If the video doesn't turn out like you wanted it to, refine the prompt and regenerate it. Once the video is ready, we move on to 11 Labs, enter the dialog, and click Download. After that, we move on to an editing software like CapCut, and we edit everything, put them all together, and finish it up.